Hello, Stormwater designers. Welcome back to Clear Creek Solutions instructional videos. And today we're going to be modeling a detention pond in the Santa Margarita regional hydrology model. So if you're using that model, this is going to be a good introduction on how to do a bit of basic modeling there. So we have our map pulled up. I'm going to select a location on the map. This is a bit arbitrary. It doesn't really matter for this specific model because I'm not trying to do it in a specific location, just showing you how this operates here. So I selected Eastern Slopes. That's our location. I'm going to go to the schematic, select the basin drainage element. I'm going to enter. I'm going to say that our pre-developed project had 3 acres of CD forest flat. So I have that selected here. I'm going to connect this to the point of compliance, and let's run the scenario now to generate the runoff. And then we're finally going to get into modeling our detention facility. Now I'll go to the mitigated scenario of my drainage basin here. Now we have a mitigated scenario, or the development. So we're going to go with 1 acre of grass flat and 2 acres of impervious. So we had 3 acres of forest. We cut down all the trees. 1 acre is remaining grass. 2 of it is now becoming impervious area. That's this basin here. And so now I will insert our detention facility to meet the flow duration, connect the basin element to the detention pond, connect it to the point of compliance. I'm going to quick pond. This is just going to enter some values for the facility, and we'll run the scenario to see if that meets our flow duration standard. And you'll find that the quick pond, like I said, it's just inserting values to make the model run. It's not a specific modeling kind, or it's not doing anything specific to model the facility to the specific project. It's just entering values there. And we'll take a look at the curve, and we'll see what adjustments can be made to then have this project pass. So we'll go to the Analysis tab here, select Point of Compliance 1. It's analyzing the pre-developed flow versus the mitigated flow here in this case. And so you can see it fails for quite a bit of the flow. So we're going to need to model this pond differently to meet the flow duration. So we're going to go with Auto Pond. This automatically optimally sizes your facility to meet the project situation. Slide the slider all the way to the right here, as I've done, and select Create Pond. Now it's going to automatically use an algorithm size that facility. Because we slide the slider all the way to the right for the most thorough analysis, this will take a bit of time. So I will pop forward to when this is done modeling, and we'll take a look at the results. So our facility finished modeling. These were the final dimensions here. I'm going to run the scenario one more time just to show you that it now meets that flow duration. So we have 331 by 331 length and width facility, a riser of 3 feet, a riser diameter of 54 inches, and an orifice with a diameter of about 0.463 inches here. And like I said, we're running the scenario, and then we'll take a look at that flow duration curve. We will go to Analysis, look at Point of Compliance 1 for durations, and then I will graph it again. And we can see that the project now meets the flow duration standard with the pond optimally sized. That is how to model a detention pond in the Santa Margarita regional hydrology model. If you have any questions, leave it in a comment down below, and we'll be sure to address it. Anyways, we'll see you guys next time.